Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on AMD FreeSync on your AOC monitor. So what you'll need to do is basically use the menu. So right here you'll see the turn off button, right here the menu button, 2 arrows to navigate through the menu, and exit button. So let's click on the menu button, and right here you'll need to find a game setting. So let's go to the game setting, then use the menu button to confirm it and go into game settings. Then use your arrows to actually find AMD FreeSync, as you can see. Then to confirm it, use your menu button and use your arrows to turn it on. Then to confirm it again, use your menu button and then double click it on exit to turn off your menu, and you'll be good to go. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.